This week, I want to talk to you about the number one thing that you have to do or have to have in order to find success with Pinterest marketing. So stick around. It's going to be fun. It's going to be super short. It's going to be easy, okay? Okay, so if you don't know who I am Cherise Marie. I am your Pinterest priestess, and I teach and talk about and do all things Pinterest. It's my favorite thing on the planet, and if you are interested in more tips like this, hit that subscribe button below. I know that's early, but that's okay. You're going to fall in love with me. At the end of this, you're going to be like, what was I supposed to do again? Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button below. Okay, so my number one secret, the very first thing you should do before you even consider having any kind of Pinterest thing, anything, okay? You need to have keywords. You need to know what your ideal clients, and if you want, you can, I have a video, I'm going to link to it. You need to know what your ideal clients are using as words to describe their pain and to describe their ideal outcome, so that you can use those pieces of information for your marketing on Pinterest and everywhere else too, because your website isn't going to get found unless it has those keywords in the content. Your blogs are not going to be found unless they have those words in the content. Your YouTube videos not going to be found unless they have the words in the content. Instagram, you need those hashtags. The only place where not knowing is maybe going to work, maybe Facebook. And we're all kind of leaving Facebook. Facebook is not where it's at anymore. It is everywhere but. So you need to sit down and you need to really be very clear on what your ideal clients' problems are, the ways that they describe them, the ways that you help them to move. And as you know that information, I want you then to go onto Pinterest and just do a little research and see if the way that they are describing it to you on other platforms is also the way that they do research to find a solution to their problems on Pinterest. You might be pleasantly surprised. You might be scary surprised. Either way, you absolutely, crucially, you cannot do anything on Pinterest until you have the basics, and the basics involve knowing your keywords on Pinterest and knowing your hashtags on Pinterest. That's all I've got for you guys today. So I hope that this was incredibly helpful. It's kind of a little fast, like, run past of the very first step for Pinterest. So if this has been helpful, please hit that subscribe button below, and we will talk to you later. Bye.